Hi, Rachel this side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine reporting from India Mobile Congress 2025, and today I have Srinivas sir with me from Qualcomm. Hi sir.
Hi, madam.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
So can you brief me about your company and how you started?
So, Qualcomm, as most of us are aware, is a mobile chipset company. So, Snapdragon is our branding. But what some people doesn't aware is Qualcomm is also doing along with the mobile, right? We also do the WLAN chipsets. So, what you are seeing is actually Alder. This is IPQ9574. This is the Wi-Fi 7 series chipset. Okay.
Right. So, so what are the products you're highlighting at this event?
So we are from Chennai Development Center (CDC). So our focus is WLAN access point. This is called wireless router or the access point in the technical terminology. So this product is the one via which we get all the Wi-Fi internet services to all our stations, mobile clients, etc.
Right, that's great. So are you dealing in international markets as well?
Yeah, both national and international markets. We have a lot of customers around the world.
Right. So do you have any new launches or innovations this year?
Yeah, pretty much along with the protocol, from Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 7, our journey is long and we sustain so many enterprise, retail as well as carrier customers.
So how are the products of your company different from other competitors in the market?
Qualcomm is always into the R&D. So we were first to, commence the Wi-Fi 6 as well as Wi-Fi 7. We are first into the market. Even to pierce the enterprise segment, for first Wi-Fi 7 gateways are the Qualcomm solution.
That's great. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your time with us.
Thanks.